Hello. We discussed CSR activities, corporate social responsibility, CSR. And there are four types of CSR: environmental responsibility, ethical responsibility, philanthropic responsibility, economic responsibility. Environmental responsibility when you are thinking about environment. So we all know business is one profit motive. So we are doing business to make the profit. But along with that, we have to think the environment, think the society. If we're thinking that that is good thing, so we'll read each of this type. What are the different types of CSR? Environmental responsibility, ethical responsibility, philanthropic responsibility, economic responsibility. These are the different types of responsibility. Different types of CSR activities. We'll read one by one. Environmental responsibility. Environmental responsibility refers to the belief that organizations should behave in as environmentally friendly a way as possible. That means in your organization, the environment surrounded by you is good. It is only of the most common forms of corporate social responsibility. So mostly the organization think quickly about the environment. This is a very common form. Some companies used to use this term environmental stewardship to refer such initiative. But what a company that ତମେ ଦେଖିଥିବ plantation କରୁଛନ୍ତି, reducing harmful practice such as pollution decrease କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ତମ ଘର ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ୍ରି ଅଛି, ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ୍ରି ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ପୋଖରୀ ଅଛି, ପୋଖରୀର କେମିତି clean ହବ, ତା water କେମିତି ହବ, that is environmental responsibility. They are increasing environment, they are making a good pond, ମାନେ ପାଣିର ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ କୁ କେମିତି କିମ୍ବା ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟିକ ତମ ଗାଁରେ କି ତମ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତରେ ତମ ବ୍ଲକରେ ତମେ ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟିକ ର ୟୁଜ କୁ କେମିତି କମେଇବ, reducing the energy consumption by increasing reliance on renewable energy. ତମେ ଦେଖିଥିବ ଗାଁରେ ଗାଁରେ ସବୁ ହଉଛି ଗୋବର ଗ୍ୟାସ ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ ହଉଛି, କିମ୍ବା ଯୋଉ ଅଳିଆ ଆବର୍ଜନା ହଉଛି, ଯୋଉ ଯୋଉ ୱେଷ୍ଟେଜ ଯାଉଛି, ସେଥିରୁ କେବେ କେମିତି ଏନର୍ଜି ବାହାର କରୁଛୁ. That is called renewable energy. Reliance is doing lot of project on that. Sustainable resources and recycled, particularly recycled materials. କେତେଟା ଜିନିଷ ତମେ ଯୋଉ ଖତ ତିଆରି ହଉଛି, କମ୍ପୋଷ୍ଟ ତିଆରି ହଉଛି, offsetting negative environmental impact, for example, by planting trees, funding research, and donating relating costs. So if you are donating, if you are planting trees, so these are the example of you are improving the environment surrounded by you, by your factory. So it could be through any means, by planting, by cleaning a water source, or by reducing the recyclable item like plastic, reducing the plastic usage in your area. So these are adding value to the environment, adding value to the company. So these are environmental responsibility as part of corporate social responsibility. This is a very common way that companies can adapt. Ethical responsibility is concerned with ensuring an organization operating in a fair and ethical manner. କିଛି ସମୟ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆମେ ପଢୁଥିଲେ ତମର ମାନେ ଅନଫେୟାର ମିନ୍ସ କୁ ତମେ କେମିତି ଆଭଏଡ କରିବ। ତମେ ଧର ଗୋଟେ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ ହଉଛି ତମର, how you can think about the good quality, ଭେଜାଲ ମିଶେଇବନି କେମିତି, ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଓଜନରେ ଠକିବନି, ପ୍ୟାକେଟିଂ ରେ ଠକିବନି, ଏସବୁ ଜିନିଷ କେମିତି improve ହେବ। Ethical responsibility is concerned with the suppose ତମ କମ୍ପାନୀର bad name ଅଛି on that unethical practice for the different industry. So you have to think about different investors, employees, suppliers, and customers, how to improve the ethical practice of your organization. Otherwise, what is happening? This will impact different stakeholders, different leadership, investors, lot of things. So you have to make sure you are practicing this, and you have different projects, you have responsibility on this line, ethical responsibility. Similarly, you have philanthropy responsibility. Philanthropy responsibility is what? Philanthropy responsibility refers to the business aims to actively make the world society better place. Philanthropy माने दान धर्म। तमे कौनसी टेम्पल को किसी डोनेट करदेला, किंबा कौनसी गोटे सोसाइटी गोटे गरीब गोटे स्लम अच्छी तम एरिया रे, तमे तांको स्लम भाई गोटे भल घर करके गोटे अपार्टमेंट करके तांको दे देला। दैट इज फिलांथ्रोपिक रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। सब गोटे बड़ स्लम अच्छी तांकर असुविधा होची, तांकर पानी नाही कि तांको भल पानी देला, किंबा भल गोटे टॉयलेट सुविधा कला। That is philanthropic responsibility. You are responsible for poor section of the world, of your region. You are giving some meal, food for an orphanage. Suppose tomorrow किसी गोटे blind school अच्छी, suppose you are sponsoring one day lunch, one day breakfast or dinner in that school. So you are spending something. That is the philanthropic responsibility. You are responsible for the weaker section of the society. Economic responsibility. Economic responsibility is one practice. Farm backing. Suppose I will give you an example. You are thinking your farm to develop economically, financially. So what you have to do? You have to enhance your product, enhance your factory, enhance your plant, increase. So you have to think and project in that direction. The main objective is to increase your economical condition. That is your end goal. The end goal is not to simply maximize the profit, but make sure the business operation positively impact the environment, people and society. Suppose तम गोटे बड़ कंपनी अच्छी, तम पाखे 200-300 लोक काम कर 500 people are working. So if your company is increasing and developing and growing, so all these 500 people are benefited. So you have to think in that way. So you are increasing your company status, also increasing the people status who are working in the organization. So this is one responsibility, how we are increasing economy of the company and economy of the country, economy of the people. So everyone is benefited. So these are different CSR, different social responsibility of the organization. We'll also understand what are the advantages and disadvantages of social responsibility. So once you have this, how it is impacting the business, what are the different advantages, different disadvantages of this responsibility. We'll continue this and we'll discuss more on this on the next class, how it is benefiting the business. Before I forget, I just want to give the attendance by giving your number, roll number, and name. Type your name and roll number in the chat box. I will collect your attendance from there. So this is, you remember always, whenever you join the class, you give your attendance by giving your name and roll number. And in the next class, we'll discuss this further CSR activities and what is the advantages and disadvantages of CSR. We'll not go further from this class. Thank you.